So guys, welcome to my channel. You can see this is gigabyte.com website. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side search button, click to type and then press type your model number, then hit enter. Z790 AORUS master. Click on product. This one. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10, 11. If you have any operating system, so you can install any version. You can watch this video and install any operating system. Chipset driver. So click to first. It is open and double click to open. Then yes. Then okay. And then close. Scroll down. Same in this chipset. Then it is close means done.